Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to source products for your Amazon FBA business from Target.com. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to post the link in my description below. And that way you guys can attend my free weekly calls and also network with other Amazon sellers like you, right? So yeah, for this video, I'm going to show you guys how to source from Target.com. So you start with obviously Target.com. And then I would go to clearance just because I like selling clearance items. And then from here, I would pick a category that you're familiar with. But if not, um, you can pick any category. So let's see. I like home goods. So I'm gonna go to the home clearance section, and then let's see. I like kitchen and dining. Oh wow, this page is not working. I wonder why. But let's try it again. Okay, this page is really not working. Okay. So I mean, I can scroll down here and just look for any products that I like. So this one looks interesting. So it's a bowl, right? I've sold bowls in the past, so I would go there and pick this product, and from here I would click or I would copy the title, go to Amazon and search this product on Amazon, and then I would look for the exact same product, exact same brand, which I don't think is here. So this one is a Figment mixing bowl. I don't even really see it. So okay, so I'll keep it moving because I don't want to waste a lot of time on one product. So let's keep it moving. Let's see. Yeah, these are man. So okay, I'll start from the beginning again and pick a different category so I can um I'll pick sports and outdoors just because I'm not really seeing anything in the other category. So sports and outdoors. Okay, looks good. Let's see. Let's see. Here, let's try this one. So pick a product and then copy the title. Insert that product, Amazon. And from here, you look for the exact product. So Travel Smart is the name of the brand. So you can also do Command F or Control F. So you can search the exact title or words on the page. Okay, so this one, Travel Smart. I think it's the same one. So keep it moving. I'm not seeing it, so I'll keep moving. Let's try this one here. So East Point 2 pedal set. Search this on Amazon. Close this thing. Okay, East Point. I'm not seeing any East Point. Okay, there's East Point. Those are not pedals though. That's the whole table, I believe. Let's see. So red and black. It's the one. No, it's not. It's the one. No, no. No. So I'll keep it moving. Say one time. Let's see. Okay, Goffles. Try this one. I've sold some in the past. Again, search it on Amazon. Wait, refurbished? Wait a second. This thing says refurbished, but we'll see. We'll see if we can find that on there. Okay. For this one, let's see. B330 refurbished golf ball sub pack. Okay. Seems like it's the same one. So Bridgestone B330 refurbished golf ball sub pack. Okay. Looks the same. So it's 1478. Okay. Or wait, certified refinished. So does that mean refurbished? Yeah, I would double check. But this also, I mean, this also is not good anyway because there's only one seller on this listing. So meaning we probably can't sell this product because of possible IP complaints. So we'll skip this one, but this one is pretty close, right? So we keep it moving. Let's see. Hopefully we can find a pretty easy one. Okay, this one. Let's try this again. Okay, so golf balls. I've sold some in the past, so that's why I'm picking this one. Okay. Interesting. So B330RX. Okay. Oh, it's out of stock. Man. Crap. Okay, this might be out of, or it is out of stock. But I think it's the same one as this. So keep it moving. What's another one I'm familiar with? Let's see. Let's try this one right here. Then search it. See if we can find it. So Franklin Sports, Atlas Pickleball Paddle. Man, there's a lot of them too. So Atlas is the name of the exact, I guess, variation. So I don't see it here, but I hope you guys got understood the process though, right? So you start with going to Target.com, pick products from Target.com. I mean, if you can go start with clearance, you can. If not, it's okay too. But just pick a product, and once you pick the product, you do a reverse search on Amazon. So here you pick it, you do a reverse search on Amazon, and once you find it, you run the numbers. If you like the numbers, you buy it for your Amazon store, right? Hope you guys have value from the video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to put the link in my description below, and that way you guys can join my group because I do weekly calls on there, and also you guys can network with other Amazon sellers. And with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.